as WhatsApp allows users to restore data from a backup, even if the app is already installed. Here's the process how you can do that. For your Android device, ensure backup is available. So verify that you have a recent backup on your Google Drive or local storage by checking in your WhatsApp. So you have to open up your WhatsApp on your device. Once you have opened up your WhatsApp, you have to tap on the three dot icon which is on the top left corner of the screen. And here you have to navigate to your setting. And here you have to scroll down and go for the chat here. Once you are on your chat here, you can see the chat backup. So here you have to check if a recent backup exists. So here you can see the backup option, just tap on the backup option. So your backup will be installed on your Google Drive. Also clearing WhatsApp data without uninstalling. So you can go to your phone setting here, just go back and navigate to your phone setting. Once you are on your phone setting, you have to scroll down and go for the app. Under your app, just go for the manage app and search for the WhatsApp here. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp, here you have to tap on the storage or clear data. According to your device setting, just go for the clear data. Once you are on your clear data, here you have to go for the clear cache. So if you select the clear data, which will visit WhatsApp, but you won't lose the app itself. And after that, you can open up your WhatsApp. Once you have launched your WhatsApp here, just go for the agree and continue, and you have to verify your phone number. So after verifying your phone number, you will see the restore option and follow the on-screen instruction for the restoration process. So this way, you will easily restore WhatsApp backup without uninstalling it from your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.